welcome back to my channel. It's me, Alicia, if this is your first time here. If not, welcome back. Alright, you guys know I've been on my wig tip. Not anything changed. Found another one. It's a little different. But found it and was immediately intrigued, so I got it. So let's go into the details, and then I'm going to show you guys how I wear it. I am wearing this out today, so I need to just do the full 9 because I'm literally leaving here and going straight to brunch with some girls. So let's get started. So this wig is by Sensational. It is the come on, Alicia, how do you do that? I don't know. Keziah, somebody. And I have it in color 1B, and this is the lace parting wig. Some details before I open it up. I did get it in 1B. I don't know if I told you guys that. But this is safe up to 400 degrees. So if you do need to bump it or flat iron or something like that, you are able to do that up to 400 degrees. Alright, so this is what it looks like. So it kind of gives you the asymmetric bob with a little wave going on. This color, she's shown in light ash, blonde, ombre, and then they give you a color card to show you all the different colors if you want to do, if you're bold and you want to do colors. I probably should have tried a color. One of these days I'm going to move outside of my comfort zone and get like a bold red or a dusty rose ombre. Anyway, sorry. Okay, so this is the wig. Like I said, it is the lace front. So we've got, in the back, we've got a wig comb. Let's see. It looks like we also have 2 on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. 1 on this side, and then 1 on this side. And then we've got like a little lace front parting on the side. So let's put this thing on. Let's adjust the setting. No. Last setting, please. I got a big head. I don't know if you guys saw in my previous video, but my hair is straightened. I got it straightened a couple weeks ago because I had to get it cut and all that kind of stuff. And I try to wear my straight hair at least a month so I can get some good usage out of the money that I pay to get it straightened. So it's straightened, but every now and then I like to switch things up. So I got this in the mail and I was like, oh, I know what I'm wearing to brunch. Okay, let me try this thing on for you guys. Oh, what am I doing? Where's my wig cap? You guys just weren't gonna tell me, Alicia, put your wig cap on. I almost put these combs all in my head. Okay, wig cap. Done. I haven't taken out any of my leave that at. I will, because I kind of want to see what it looks like. So I do have like a little rat tail comb that I'm going to use to do the leave out, and my twists are very, very loose, so I can pull my leave out without having to pull my twist. Okay, now let's try this on. Oh, where's the back? Where's the back? Okay, here we go. Alright, so this is fresh out of the box. Okay, you listen. I kind of like it. I know that this, so you guys know that I like big hair. Let's just have a little chat. You guys know that I like big hair. However, I realized that not every wig can give me big hair. So when I saw this, I was like, I like the asymmetrics of it, and then I like the wavy. So I'm okay if it doesn't give me the volume that I'm looking for, but this isn't gonna work. So let me zhuzh it up. I'm going to take this comb, and then I'm going to take this brush to kind of give me the volume that I'm looking for, and then I'll do my leave out after that. right, that's better. You guys, I did show you guys. I wanted to make sure that I showed you because I got a lot of questions about people asking how am I able to do so much volume in the wig on day one. I do a lot of teasing. So I take this comb, which is a smaller tooth comb, and then this brush, which is just basically a 360 brush, and I just do a lot of teasing until I get the volume that I want. So now that I've got a little bit of volume, I'm just going to take a little bit of my leave out and bring that down. Okay, so this is the front, the side, the back, and then the other side. Super cute, right? Woo! I love this wig. One other thing that I like, and everybody that has trouble with lace fronts understand, is that this wig says that it's lace parting. It's not a lace front. So when I got it, I'm like, oof, I don't want to be intimidated. How much lace do I take off? How much lace do I not take off? There was no lace. It has lace parting. So it gives the illusion of lace, but you don't have to deal with all that. How much do you take off? Oh crap, I took off half of the lace that has the hair on it. So I love that part. So I will try to find in my wig closet, I will try to add more wigs that are lace parting than lace fronts, because lace front just intimidates me. This is what the wig looks like. I will go ahead and put the link to the wig at the bottom. I'll go ahead and include the wig cap because some people don't know where to get wig caps from, or your local beauty supply store doesn't have them, or don't have the one that you want, or they're not big girl friendly, whatever. I'll go ahead and put the exact same link of where I got mine from. Yeah, check out on my other, I'm doing a lot of wig videos, guys, lately because I am living for wigs now. I don't know if I told you guys this, but I went and got my hair cut, and she was just like, Alicia, you gotta give your hair a break. She chopped off like 3 inches. I had a moment. But she was like, look, you gotta come in. It was my fault because I haven't been to get my hair cut professionally in 2 years. I'm trying to do it by myself. I'm not a cosmetologist. So I will chop my ends myself, but going to her makes it very evident that, Alicia, you are not a cosmetologist. You didn't go to school for this. You do finance. So stick to your numbers and let her stick to chopping your hair. So she cut off like 3 inches, and so she basically said, keep your hands out your head for a little while. Even if it is over the weekend or for a couple of days out of the week, just keep your hands out of your head. So that's what I'm doing. This is short term things that I can do for a couple of days to keep my hands out my head, because I don't want to go back to her in April and then she'd be like, Alicia, I gotta cut off another 3 inches. I can't have it. I can't. So let this be a lesson. Keep your hands out your head, and even though you think you probably know what you're doing with your hair, make sure you go get at least a professional cut, or somebody to wash your hair or cut your hair professionally at least twice a year, because I learned my lesson. I went to her religiously when I was transitioning, and then when I went 100% natural, I was like, bye, and now I'm back. That's my little spiel on maintaining your natural hair. Maintain it, keep your hands out of it. Wigs work perfectly. So don't forget to check out all my other videos, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.